Welcome to 1340 Whitewater Lane, a beautiful 4-bedroom detached home in the heart of Mississauga's highly sought after Heartland's neighborhood. This spacious home offers approximately 3,000 square feet of well-designed living space. Step inside and you are greeted by a bright and functional layout with a large, great family room, open concept living and dining areas, and a generously sized kitchen with breakfast nook. From the kitchen and living spaces, enjoy the peaceful views of the Bidwell Trail Common Park right in your backyard. And outside, you will love the oversized private lot complete with a gorgeous in-ground swimming pool. The perfect space for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying family time. Large sun-filled windows bring in natural light throughout the home, and the gas fireplace adds a cozy touch to the family room. Convenience is key with main floor laundry, and there is a massive unfinished basement just waiting for your personal vision. Located on a quite exclusive street, you are just minutes from Highway 401, top schools, major shopping, and Mississauga's scenic river trails. 1340 Whitewater Lane offering space, privacy, and the perfect family-friendly location. If you would like to book a private viewing for this beautiful home and the beautiful backyard, please call me, your favorite Mississauga realtor, Pradeep Jasi, at 416-629-3480. Or you can also visit my website at www.pradeepjasi.com to book your private tour.